Have you ever tried to use leeks to make Nigerian stew before? If you have not tried it, please try it. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually use leeks to make Nigerian stew. And you will come back to this video and you will thank me later. So let's get into the video, guys. So the first thing you'll be needing is your chicken. Here is my chicken. I've already washed it off camera and I added some sliced onions, bay leaves, curry powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, some seasoning cube, added my aromat, and I also add some salt to taste. Okay, so I'm going to steam it for 35 minutes off camera. All right, and now go ahead and introduce the other ingredients to you all. Here I got some red bell pepper, yellow pepper, and onions, garlic, habanero pepper, and I also got my fresh tomatoes. Today I'm not going to be using muti, so I changed the thing tomatoes. So I switched to this one. This one is very nice too. I don't know how to pronounce it, chero. So this tomato is also nice. So I'm going to be using this three, and also my favorite tomatoes paste, my vegetable tomatoes paste. If you have been following me, you know that I love this tomatoes paste. I can't cook without this tomatoes paste. All right, so I'm going to be using those two because I want to cook a large stew that will last us for like 2 weeks in this house. And here is my almighty leeks that's going to take my stew from 0 to 100. So now I'm going to wash it. I want to show you guys how you can actually use these links to make your stew. You are not going to use all of it, okay? You will use some side and then you throw away to the other side. So here is my leeks. You see the way I cut it. I removed the part that I did not need, and this is the part that I need. So I've already washed it. As you can see, I'm going to blend it with some garlic off camera. All right, and I blended the bell pepper and tomatoes, and then I steam it. So I don't want the video to be too long, so I did all these things off camera. Okay, so now I will go ahead and fry my chicken, because by this time my chicken I've already cooked. So I'll go ahead and fry it now. And before I go ahead and fry my chicken, I added some vegetable oil into my pot, and then I added some onions and garlic. When you add onions and garlic to your vegetable oil that you want to use to fry your chicken, it gives the chicken another unique taste. Okay, me, I have different way of cooking. So this is how I fry my chicken sometimes. So I add the onions and garlic, and now go ahead and fry the chicken. I fry my chicken and I also fry some mackerel fish off camera also. So I'm just showing you guys now because, like I said, I don't want the video to be too long. So after frying the chicken and the mackerel fish, so now it's time for us to make our Nigerian stew. So I use the same oil that I used to fry that chicken. I remove the dirty that I don't need. This is the remaining part. So add your onions. I added my onions and I give it a fry for some second. I added my curry powder and ginger powder, my aromat, my thyme and curry, Indian curry. If you'll be following me, I've already introduced this Indian curry to you guys before. So I added those things off camera before I went ahead and add this my tomatoes paste. Okay, so I add my tomato paste, I give it a good stir, and now I add my steamed tomatoes. As you can see, I've already added my steamed tomatoes. Now I'm going to stir it for some second, and then I'll go ahead and add my leeks that I blended with garlic. So you have to add it at those points because this leeks is going to give your stew another sweet aroma. Like, it will take this stew from 0 to 100. So add it and fry it for another minute. After frying these leeks together with your steamed tomatoes, go ahead and add your tin tomatoes. All right, so add your tin tomatoes and then stir everything together. Remember, when you are cooking, please always try to stir your food. So it's very important for you to stir your food. So after I added that tin tomatoes, I added my chicken stock off camera, and I also add my chicken, my mackerel fish off camera. Okay, So here it is, because I don't really want this video to be too long. And meanwhile, when I was frying that tomato sauce together with my chicken stock, I added my seasoning cube. I didn't show you guys because I did all these things off camera again. After adding your chicken and your mackerel fish, make sure you stir it together. Allow it to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes and your stew is ready. Please, if you're watching this at those points, try to like the video. If you're watching from Facebook, give it a thumbs up. Drop your comment what you think about the video. If you're watching for YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn the notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first person to be notified. I know most of you are saying the oil is too much. Yeah. Today I want to share another secret with you guys. When you are making your Nigerian stew, make sure you're using enough oil. Afterwards, you can scoop the oil from the stew, because when you don't use enough oil, your tomatoes might likely burn. Okay, so the oil will help the tomatoes to fry very well. So here is the outcome of the stew, and here is my rice, my salad, and my avocado. Thank you all so much for watching to this point. I really appreciate every one of you. Talk to you all in my next video. Till next time, stay healthy, stay blessed.